Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna talk about how to put the lighting on the staircase or the hidden lighting on the staircase. Okay, simple. You go for staircase first. Okay. Then in here, right, you may just go for this one, cloud. Okay, public. So lighting. Okay, usually you won't see this kind of lighting because it didn't specific it. Never mind, we can drag this one also, or it looks similar. Okay, drag out first, hold control, drag out first. Okay, then hold control, move it first, then press X button to rotate it, and remember hold your control always. Okay, then after that press Z again, hold control, move it. Okay, make it stick to the wall, then move down. Okay. Okay, I think it's not attached to the wall, right? Not much attached to the wall. So I press X again to make it perfectly. Select it. X. Press Z. Okay. Okay. So when you want to double click it, you can just click on it. Hold shift, remember hold control, then you copy, press shift button once, then you can copy, or hold shift button, move it also. Okay, remember hold control button or else it will flow to the sky, flow to the ceiling. Okay, so thanks for watching, bye.